Is there a toolkit? Have you changed anything to make the procedure even more efficient than it is?
Most cases can be very successfully done with a 7 French sheath. But let's say you got something hard and firm, and it just won't retrieve well through a 7. The basket wire has so much support to it. You can easily upsize to an 8 or even a 9 sheath if you wanted to. Now, I haven't had to do that, but it's got enough support up and over the aortic bifurcation that you have all those variables that you need to. And we all know that the bigger the receiving catheter, the more likely you are to receive more volume with each subsequent pass. But I think you can be quite successful just with a 7 French sheath for most all cases.
Super. Let's look at the back end of the sheath.
It's got to have a removable valve. Got to have a removable valve, whether it's a tuohy or it's a straight valve, and whatever you're most comfortable using, that's what you use. Just whatever you're comfortable with, but it's got to have a removable valve to it.
Super.